Hey everybody, welcome to the live streams of Global Trade Live. Today is 25th of March and we are now live in New York session over here. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna drop the link on the chats over here. Okay, so let's start with the daily time frame daily time frame over here. So what's happening in the daily time frame is let me just remove all these from the daily. So what's happening over here in the daily is yesterday the market was totally strong bullish, I would say. Yesterday the market was strong bullish in GBP/JPY, and it also created a support over here. Also the yesterday's candle broke the high of the previous one, right? So we were expecting the market to move up. If we look on the more higher time frame, like weekly looks totally bullish and it should be going up in this level. If we look on the left, then yes, we have this area of resistance over here, somewhere around 162 or 162 400. So that's the area over here in the weekly. And after the weekly, if we look at the daily, then today's daily candle is rejecting this area of support created yesterday, right? So now the market is rejecting this area of support and it's moving up from here. But the thing is, the market has done like retracement, like almost 100% of the yesterday's candle, right? So that's something I'm worried about, because the thing is, whenever I see candles doing retracements like this, most probably they just continues to move down. But if that happens, that will mean that the weekly will be retracing all the way back, leaving a huge wick rejection on the upper side. So that will be a problem over here, because that will confuse the traders, and also there might be a consolidation there, because market has to create and again upper trend. So that's why. But okay, let's see what happened over here, because we cannot say that whether this will be continue to move down or whether this will be continue to move up from here. So we need to look on the lower time frames for that confirmations. So if we talk about the 4 hour over here, let me just zoom in a little bit. Let's remove all these areas. Okay, let's not remove these areas, let's just do one thing. So here was the support down over here, and so there was support down over here, there was a resistance up over here in this area. Let me just readjust this. So market went up, created another support, there was a resistance as well, it went all the way up, it broke and closed above this area of resistance yesterday, and it just flipped back down and finally came inside this region again, and this candle took resistance from this area and went all the way down, and the previous 4 hour candle closed below. Actually, not this one, no, this is invalid. So the previous 4 hour candle just closed like this, and now the current 4 hour candle is moving up again. So the thing is, where possibly can the current 4 hour candle go? And according to me, it can go up in this area over here, but if it crosses above this area, then obviously it will be going to test its own high. The thing is, earlier the market rejected this area multiple times and went down, so there is a chance that market will go up in this area, and then it can really reject this area and continue moving down to this area over here. So that's something I'm concerned about right now. So this is our new area of resistance or high. So after the 4 hour, I'm gonna move to the 1 hour over here. Why this is okay? So this was a rejection thing. We don't need this one, we don't need this one as well. Yeah, this was okay, let's just redraw this area. Let's zoom in a little bit. So what's happening over here is, if you look at this picture over here, then in the London session the market made some rejections over here on this area, and it went all the way down. So there was a rejection zone up over here, right? So there was a rejection zone up over here, and there was a rejection zone down over here as well. Also, the market is now testing that area again. Also, we have a support, sorry, we have a resistance up over here in this area as well, right? So basically market can flip down from this area and will continue to move down from here. But the main question is where the market will be going, basically what the market's gonna do. So right now, as we can see over here, the market has created a support. So the market has created a support over here, right? And if we look to the upper side, then there's a resistance up over here. So right now the market is between this range over here, right? So above this level, above this wick over here, I think it's gonna go up to fill, to tap this resistance area and fill this clean range over here. So the range above that wick is pretty good. It's like 25 pips of range is there. So I think if the market continues to move up on the lower time frames, then yes, we can go for buys as well. But in case the market starts to flip down, as this is a huge reaction zone, if the market starts to flip down and break its own low, that means the market is now getting ready to move down. I'm gonna look on the lower time frames for a better view, like where the market's gonna go and what's gonna happen over here, right? So if we look on the left below this wick, then we have this consolidation area over here. But below this consolidation area, we have another level of support down over here, and below this area we have extremely good clean range, which can take the price all the way down. Yeah, which can take price all the way down in this level. So if we calculate this range, then this range is about like 50 pips of range is there. I think that's a pretty nice range to trade. So basically there was a wick over here. This wick got filled because there was volume in the market. As we can see, this candle over here, this is a huge candle, right? And now it's going up again, maybe to test this area and then flip back down. So that can happen. 18 minutes left for this candle to close, so I'm gonna wait for 18 more minutes and look at the GJ, like where and what's gonna happen next, right? But if we look on the high time frames, like 4 hour, then this 4 hour candle looks promising that it can move up in this area to fill this area and then can reject this area. I'm gonna look on the other charts as well. So let's move to the 30 minutes. Let's just move to the 30 minutes over here. I don't need these areas over here. Nice. Okay, so look over here. This could be a really nice trade. Above this level, we have this clean range. The market created another support, broke the high. It should be moving up, and it's moving up now. Stops could be below the current candle's low, but I'm not in this trade over here, because the thing is, in the hourly time frame, this is a huge rejection zone. So we really don't know whether the market gonna respect this area of resistance or respect this area of resistance. So, or we don't know even that if it just crosses above that one. So but yeah, I could have tried to take this trade, and this could be a really nice trade, I think. Yeah, 11 pips done already. So by looking at this market picture over here, what information do we get? So the number one information we get is a support has been formed, right? So this is the support of 30 minutes. Right? So this is a support, and there was a resistance formed over here as well. So market created a resistance as well, there was a support as well. Market broke above this wick, now moving up. So we need some more information to process further, right? So we don't know whether so look, if this candle, if this 30-minute candle closes up over here and the next candle creates another support, then obviously we are going to take a buy trade. But if this candle rejects this area and comes back all the way down, then obviously the market is getting ready to sell. So for the confirmation thing, we need to wait for this candle to close. Nothing over here. This could be a really nice trade. Easy one. Yeah. Anyways, we are gonna get another opportunity soon, so don't have to worry about that. And also, if we look on the high time frames, then this is the daily support area. Now the market is moving up, and that's a good sign, because if the market really needs to go up, then it will be creating higher highs and higher lows. Also, with higher highs and higher lows, it will be creating supports as well. So I think if the market is planning to move up, then this is the point from where it will be flipping back. Okay, I'm gonna look at the GU over here as well. Let's remove everything and start fresh with the weekly. Okay, so the weekly candle went all the way up, and let me just adjust this, and now it just came all the way down back inside the range. So that's a sell thing for me. It will be going down, I think. But the thing is, today is last day of the week, so what we can expect this candle to do? How can we expect this candle to close? According to me, whenever this kind of a thing happens, normally candle closes like weak bullish or weak bearish. If that happens, then we might see some consolidation in the coming hours. So after the weekly, let's talk about daily over here. And if we look at the daily, then we had a support resistance over here in the daily. Market respected that area over here, then it went up. Now it's basically trying to respect this area again. So let's see if it continues to move down, fill these wicks, or if it just rejects and flip back up again. If we talk about the buy side, then this will be the area it will be heading towards to. And if we talk about sell side, then I think, yeah, this is the area over here where it will be tapping towards to first, and then coming down all the way. So if we look at the 4 hour over here, then 4 hour is having an area of support down over here, and it's having area of resistance up over here. Recent areas, right? Above this area we have this area of resistance, and below this area we have this area of support. So let's move to the hourly. So if we talk about the 1 hour time frame, let me just play some music first. It's okay. If we talk about this hourly time frame, then we are having a support down over here in this area, and below this we have this clean range to cover up. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, everybody. So, oh, look over here. GJ is just moving all the way up. Anyways, so yeah, we were talking about GBP USD. So basically, we need to mark our recent level of resistance or support. So this is the area of support over here, and yeah. So right now the market is moving up. Look, if we squeeze the graph over here, then we can see that all this area is a consolidation box, right? So, but yes, there's one thing that's good, that there's a clean range. So if we get a support formation over here, then we can try taking a buy trade. Okay, based on the higher time frame analysis as well. But for me, for now, uh, this is the area of resistance over here, and now this is the range for me. This is a big range. This is a no trade zone for me for now, based on the 1 hour time frame. above this Above this there will be buy for me, and below this area there will be a sell for me. So now we have good ranges, we have our targets set, everything is good and fine. So let's just wait and watch the market. So we have this clean range, and if we calculate this range over here, then this range is coming out to be like 35 pips, and above this there's a clean range over here as well. And if we calculate the range, like the maximum it can go up first in this is the area over here, 39-40 pips. So the ranges are pretty good. Yes, there's a problem over here, this wick, but I think if you buy above this area, then this wick is around like 10-11 pips, so the trade can be easily manageable, so there won't be any problem in that. Also, I'm gonna drop to the 30 minutes now, and I'm gonna mark these areas in the 30 minutes only. So let's see how these areas are looking like in 30 minutes. So there was a support broke above, went all the way up, but there was a rejection wick, so this could be a risky one. So right now, if we talk about buying side, then there are rejections. This is a tight range. Basically, it can give us some problems, and without volume, trade will be a losing trade in this range. So we need to be very, very careful. But yes, above this, I don't see any problems. And if we talk about sells, are you waiting for New York Open? Yeah, I'm waiting for the New York Open as well. So below this area we have beautiful range over here. So for me, this is a no trading zone for me for now. The reason is look at the left. Always when you have questions, when you have doubts, always look at the left. So what do we see over here? We see consolidations, up and down movements, right? Sideways market, nothing else. So, oh, this candle just closed with no wick on the top. Means the chances of going up is now 50-50. So 50% chance is there that it will be going up, 50% chance of going down is there. So no trades, because I really wanted to see a support formation, break above, and then continuation. So I wanted to see that thing. But yes, we can wait over here. Maybe the oh, GJ also close with no wick. Anyways, I'm already looking for something like this to happen in GBP JPY so that I can take the trade. Yeah, but in case it just goes up, then it is what it is. We cannot really do anything about that. So no issues. Time to wait. Maybe on the 15-minute time frame I'm gonna take the trade, but right now there are no plans. Why this area is visible over here? Okay, delete. Hmm. So I'm gonna wait for retracement in GJ. Let's have a look on the high time frames. So yesterday, what happened over here is, yesterday market really tried so hard to continue moving down, but it rejected. Today the market again tried to do that again, but it rejected. See, these rejections are exactly similar like these rejections over here on the left. So that's why I really think that GGGU will be moving up, and GJ, let's talk about GJ. And GJ should be moving up as well. Yeah, I really think that's gonna happen, because you know the way the market is rejecting this area, it really looks like it's gonna go up. So I need a retracement and then continuation. Also, I wanted to share this to everybody. Uh, Let me just show you. So this is the expert advisor I made, and this is available on the MetaTrader market. And this is everything about the expert advisor. You can see the videos and the results as well. The results are pretty good, and I'm already running the CA on a demo account over here. Yeah, this is the account. Let me just show you. So this is the EA over here. It's running right now, and all is free. So this account was opened on 23rd, like 2 days ago, and now it just till today it just made around $128 in that account and continue to move on. Also, the same account is attached over here for live monitoring, so that the people can come and check. So this is the maximum drawdown. It just made like 3.4%, 100% algo trading. Profitable trades are 72%. And yeah, reliability, you can check the reliability as well. This is reliable over here, and 1.29% made so far, so it's pretty good. Also, there's another expert advisor I made, and that's not uploaded yet on the market, but I just wanted to share with my people. So this is the gold expert advisor over here. All history. So this account was opened yesterday, and so far it just made $207, 2% in one day. Not bad. So basically this expert advisor uses hedging also, and which keeps this safe, and also it keeps on scalping. But whenever a trade gets opposite, like this trade was taken but it didn't went up and it went down, it averages the trades, so that keeps it really profitable and safe. So I'm gonna upload this soon on the market. So if anybody is interested over here in this EA, then just let me know. I'm gonna drop the link. You can also download free demo to check. But make sure, if anybody just downloads this EA, then make sure you set your account parameters or backtest settings according to this information over here only. Alright everybody, so this candle over here is about to close in like few seconds, and after that we're gonna see whether we can take the trade or not. So this candle is about to close like this, so we need to look at the 15 minutes time frame over here. Oh, 15 minute also closed with no wick on the top. Sorry. So basically above this wick we can go up. So I'm gonna move to the 30 minutes. So what I need is I need a lower wick to be formed first, and then break the high of the previous candle, which will eventually take the price up in this range first, and above this range will be reached. So I think GBP JPY will be a easy setup over here. Yeah, the 1 hour candle also having problems. Okay, perfect. So look over here. So market is taking resistance from this current level in the 1 hour only, right? So in case if this 1 hour candle flips back up, break its own high, that will be the 30-minute candle breaking the high of the previous candle, right? So if that will be the number one confirmation, will be the hourly confirmation, like the high, and the second confirmation will be the 30-minute candle confirmation. And we have this clean range to cover up, so I don't think there will be any problem. So I think that will be a good idea to take the trade once the 30-minute candle crosses above the high of the previous one. Yeah, I think that will be a good idea. Because if we look to the left or the market scenario, then I really think it can possibly move up. Let's also have a look at the news as well, if there is any news today. I really think GU, what has happened to you? Yeah, we need a support to be formed. Only then we can take a buy. Otherwise, we might take a buy above this level. Yeah, the range is not there. So nice. GBP JPY is moving down, maybe to create a lower wick. Also, this area over here is a strong area. We have this huge rejection. Once the market rejects this area, it will be going up to test this area, and once it crosses above that area, it will be moving up. So the target will be around over here. And this is around, let me check, this is around 36 pips of range. this range. So in 26 minutes there will be NY open. So let's see. Okay, everybody, let's get ready. It's moving up. So we might see a push to the upside. So I'm gonna keep my stops below the current candle low. Oh, it's coming out to be 24 pips. So I'm gonna keep my stop somewhere around 10 pips. 10-12 pips, not above that. Huge momentum is coming up. 6, 6. Okay, everybody, it's about to break the high of the previous one. Also, the 15-minute candle is about to close as well in 2 minutes. If the daily really wants to flip up, then it will be going up with volume. Sorry. There should be some trend line which should be tapping the low of the current candle. Otherwise, it might just reject. Yeah, this is the one. Market went down, now moving up. Yeah, this was the one. Yeah, it tapped, failed to maintain its price below, went up again. It will now go to the upper trend line, which is 20 pips, and after that it can move up or it can reject and go back down. So we need to decide once the market taps the upper trend line. 15 to 20 pips of range will be there. Okay, 15-minute candle just closed over here. Now let's see. So now if the current 15-minute candle breaks this high, that means market will be moving up from here. One hour is about to close in 14 minutes. Let's see what happens. GU also flipping up. Looks bullish. Oh, look here, it just went up. Went up like 7.5 pips. Yeah, now GU also coming to a rejection area. All these wicks, nothing but rejections. Nice. So the current 15-minute candle is also creating a lower wick maybe. So now if it flips back up, break the high, now the chances of going up is now more than the previously. Let's see what happens. Well, let's see. Okay, everyone. So as we can see over here that the 15-minute candle is going all the way down. So now 6 minutes left for the 1 hour candle to close, for 30-minute, and for the 15-minute candle to close. So just 6 minutes left. So I think let's wait. let's wait for 4 more minutes and let's keep an eye on the 1 hour. So this is the 1 hour over here, right? So if the next 1 hour wicks down first and break this high of the previous one, then I think it will be moving up to fill this wick. Or if we talk about 30 minutes, then yeah, if the next 30-minute candle wicks down and break the highs over here, then it will be moving up. GU, I don't know anything about GU for now, because right now I really need a support to be formed in GBP USD in order to move up, because there was a support over here. Now the market has moved far away from that support, so need another support to be formed in order to take a buy trade. Okay, everybody. So JPY candle just closed like this. 30-minute candle closed like this. 1 hour candle. Oh, 1 hour candle also closed like a bullish candle while leaving a huge wick rejection to the downside where the previous rejection was already. So I think we can expect the candle to continue moving up from here. So if the 15-minute candle, current 15-minute candle, if that candle respects the law of the previous one and breaks this high over here, that will be the point where we can say, okay, so the market is now going up. So let's see if that happens. So I'm gonna move to 15 minutes over here as well, and my price to buy. Let me scale fix this. And also at this point there will be New York volume to come in, and I think it will be pushing the price up. So in the pre-NY, the market just consolidated, right? Now I'm gonna mark the new levels over here in 15 minutes. So this was the market of pre-NY. So now we have to see whether the NY volume pushed the price up or push the price down or just consolidates. Let's see. GU also looks like bullish for now, but yeah, in GU we need a support to be formed on 30 minutes, because above this wick there's a clean candle with a low range, so not a good idea. Okay, everybody, so it's about to go up, I think. So it created a lower wick. Oh, it's coming down again. 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour can go down a little bit. So now the stops will be, I think, the stops will not be that big now, because if I take trade based on the 1 hour as well, I can keep my stops at 150.515, which is around 12-13 pips, and that's a decent stop loss, not much. Yeah, I think it's gonna go up now. If I take a buy over here, then this wick is like 3 pips away. So if it goes up, I'm gonna keep my trade open at this point. TP will be over here around 10 pips. This will be the stops. Let's see. So just 6 minutes remaining for the current 15-minute candle to close as well. Okay, this 15-minute candle is also about to close at this point. Let's have a look at the 15 minutes. Yeah, it's just ranging now. But this candle is about to close, and if this candle closes above this area, then this will become our resistance. So let's see. Okay, everybody. So the market is moving up now. Let's see, and let's hope that this will be moving up. Oh, so the previous 15-minute candle closed inside this range again. So I think this will be flipping back down, maybe. But I'm gonna keep my eye on the 30-minute time frame only. Looks like now finally it might move up from here. GU is going up again. Okay guys, took a bite hit over here at this point, keeping my stops at 10 pips. Below the low of the current 15-minute candle, not at 10 pips. Yeah, stops are kept over here. Now just waiting for the market to continue the move to the upside, because now I think New York market will push the price up, because the thing is market was also waiting from like pre-New York so that it can finally push the price up. Because this 1 hour candle can also push all the way up. Oh, it's coming down. So once this 1 minute candle breaks the high over here, it should be moving up with volume. Oh, it's coming down. Yeah, it should really move up to the upper trend line. but only 4 minutes left. That's the issue. Come on, man. Yeah, this 4 hour should move up over here. So 1 hour will be closing like this. Next 1 hour can come down. Okay. No, actually 1 hour is having around 29 minutes left to close. So the 30-minute just close like this. $15-minute candle close strong, bullish, creating a support over here above this area. Let's just hope that the current candle breaks the high of the previous one, so that the volume will push the price up like at least 10 pips. So once the price crosses below this area, I'm gonna close half to manage the risk, because I really want the market to stay above this area over here in order to go bullish. Yeah, it's stuck. It's stuck over here. It's just that the 1 hour candle still looks good to go up. Get ready, everybody, to manage the risk. If it goes down, then I'm gonna close half. If it goes up from here and breaks out of the consolidation, then there will be a volumetric push coming in, which will take the price up. So finally it broke out of the consolidation, running in 2 pips now. .4 pips tapped over here. This candle should be moving up now. The 1 hour. Now what I'm gonna do is, as the market is moving up, I'm gonna keep my stops at 7 pips, 8 pips. Yeah. So it just went in 5 pips of profit. So now if it comes back down to break even, I'm gonna close half to manage the risk. So the stops have been reduced. So yeah, my stops are now kept at over here in this area. Running in 6 pips at this point. And now I'm gonna look at the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour will be tapping this area very, very soon. Seven pips tapped at this point. I think it will make some rejection once it taps the higher trend line, but till that point it's gonna give us around 10 pips. It's just that we need some heavy volume to come in and take the price up to 10 pips. So I'm gonna close 90% at 10 pips. It just hit 8.6, 9.1, 9.4. Come on. 9.7. Closed 90% at 9.7 pips. Keeping my stops at break even now. What the fuck? Why just closed only 10%? Ah, come on, man. 0.0. So congratulations everybody who just made some profits in this trade. So we were waiting for this opportunity since very long and finally grabbed this opportunity over here. Oh, look here, it's running like 12 pips right now. Now my TP will be up over here in like 37 pips. 161.061. It's running in 13 pips right now. 14 pips over here. 15 pips tapped at this point. I think now, yeah, the daily gonna flip up. And daily will be flipping up, or will be closing like a weak bullish above this wick. Yeah, 35 pips above the current level. Let's just hope that it won't be hitting the break even, because if that happens, then you know it's fine. We cannot do anything actually about that. It's just that if it just stays above this trend line, then there won't be any problem. Yeah. So that was it, everybody. So take care, everyone. Have a great day. I'm gonna call it a day over here right now because took one trade today. It went into profits, and I'm happy with the profits over here. Today is Friday as well, so I don't want to risk my profits today. So take care, everyone. Have a great day. Let's meet on Monday. So enjoy your weekend, guys. So take care, everybody.